Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain the scheduling module in SuperConstruct. Scheduling helps you compare planned versus actual progress, what you planned versus what actually happened on the project. First, log into SuperConstruct, select your company, navigate to your project, and click on the scheduling module from the left side navigation bar. Before initializing a schedule, make sure there is an approved SOV, because schedules can only be created from approved SOVs. On the scheduling screen, you will see an option like Initialize SOV name. Click on Initialize SOV to start scheduling for that SOV. Once initialized, all the tasks from that SOV will be displayed here. For each initialized SOV, you will see 3 tabs: Table, Gantt, and History. Let's start with the Table tab. In the Table view, you can see all divisions and tasks along with their planned and actual details. Division represents the divisions included in the SOV. Task represents the individual tasks under each division. Planned start date and planned end date are the dates defined while creating the SOV. Planned days represent the duration between the planned start and end dates. Actual start date and actual end date represent the real execution dates, in case of delays or early starts. Actual days represent the duration based on actual dates. Percentage done indicates the progress of the task, and this should be updated manually by the user. Status represents the current state of the task, such as not started, in progress, completed, or delayed, based on the progress and dates. Whenever you make any changes in the table, make sure to save the changes by clicking on Save Changes available at the top. After clicking Save Changes, a pop-up will appear where you must enter the reason for the update. This ensures all changes are properly tracked. Now let's move to the History tab. In the History tab, you can see all the changes made to the schedule. Each update along with the reason provided is recorded here. You can also see who made the changes along with the date and time and how many updates have been made. You can click on any entry to view detailed change history. Finally, let's look at the Gantt tab. The Gantt chart provides a visual timeline of the project. Blue bars represent planned dates, orange bars represent actual dates, and the red vertical line shows today's date. The left side displays task names while the timeline scrolls horizontally, helping you quickly identify delays and track project progress visually.